Finding a plumbing, heating, and air company that considers your wants and needs can be really difficult. Lucky for you, there's Home Heroes to the rescue. As part of our family, you are not just another transaction. Home Heroes takes pride in putting you first because you are our number one priority. Your fast, knowledgeable, and friendly hero will arrive on time and be prepared to assess your needs. We will always provide you with at least 3 options. That way you can choose what best fits you, your home, and your budget. We won't just fix your problem, we will also provide you with guidance and advice to help you protect your home in the future. Why Home Heroes? Because every home needs a hero.